In this video, I am going to explain vector atom model, particularly about electrons. Why electron spin concept is to be introduced. What is the need to introduce the concept of electron spin? In Sommerfeld elliptical orbit concept, he has given clarity to the fine structure of hydrogen atom. But his concept, whatever it may be, either it is elliptical orbit or relativistic concept, it explains it is suitable for only hydrogen atom. This is not suitable for any other atom. And one more drawback is he has not given any explanation to anomalous Zeeman effect. To clarify all these things, vector atom model came into picture. In the previous session, I have already discussed about space quantization of vector atom model. The electron spin. This concept is very firstly proposed by Kronig in 1925, early 1925. Okay, electron spins about its own axis with a particular angular velocity. After that, it was developed by Gaudsmit and Uhlenbeck in 1925, late 1925. Their proposal were electron spins about an axis through its center of mass. The second proposal is the electron has both angular momentum and a magnetic momentum. Spin angular momentum and spin magnetic momentum. And the third one is spin of electron is analogous to the motion of a particle in a solar system. The fourth one is spin of electron is also quantized. So new quantum number S has to be introduced. These are the proposals made by Gaudsmit and Uhlenbeck. Actually, if a body is revolving with respect to an axis, it must have angular momentum. If it is a charged particle, it develops circular current. Because of this circular current, magnetic moment it gains. So it has a magnetic momentum due to orbital motion that is ml. In our case, electron is a charged particle with orbital motion. So it must have angular momentum L as well as magnetic moment ml. We have already studied the formula. L is equal to root of L into L plus 1 into H by 2 pi. Now the concept is electron has spin. Like angular momentum, orbital angular momentum, spin angular momentum must also have by the electron. It must have spin magnetic moment also. As the equation in angular momentum, L is equal to root of L into L plus 1. Here also we can say for spin as S is equal to root of S into S plus 1 into H by 2 pi, where small s is spin quantum number. The value of S is half. If we substitute half value in the above equation, we will get S is equal to root 3 by 2 into H by 2 pi. Spin angular momentum S is related with the quantum number, spin quantum number S, as we have already seen there. S is equal to root of S into S plus 1 into H by 2 pi. Classical mechanically, it is S is equal to S into H by 2 pi. In the Bohr atomic model, we have seen angular momentum mvr is equal to nh by 2 pi. Like that in Sommerfeld atomic model, LH by 2 pi. Here it is S is equal to SH by 2 pi. But our model is totally based on quantum mechanics, so it must be changed as with the quantum mechanical treatment. S is equal to root of S into S plus 1 into H by 2 pi. Spin can be either clockwise or anti-clockwise. We have already derived an equation for cos theta in angular momentum concept in spatial quantization. Like that, here also we will derive a particular value for Sz. This is the electron. It is having a spin in anti-clockwise direction. Here we are taking a magnetic field P in the direction of Z. This is the magnetic field. Here S is the spin angular momentum vector making an angle theta with the magnetic field B. Here Sz is the projection of S in the direction of B, that is in the direction of Z. So we indicated it as Sz. In the angular momentum, we have Lz is equal to ml into h by 2 pi. Like that, here Sz is equal to ms into h by 2 pi, where ms is spin magnetic quantum number, ms. ms formula is ms is equal to 2s plus 1. But we have already known that s is equal to half. When we substitute half value in the above equation, we will get ms value as 2. So Sz has 2. ms is equal to 2 means what is that? What does it mean? S value is half. It may have two orientations. That is either it is plus half or minus half. Either it is in clockwise direction or either it is in anti-clockwise direction. Two direction may be erased for spin of electron. So for S is equal Sz value are with the plus half one value, with the minus half one value. Sz is equal to plus half into h by 2 pi and minus half into h by 2 pi. According to space quantization, orbital and spin motions are quantized in direction also. Yes, these two are quantized vectors. This model is called vector atom model. Quantized magnetic moment of atom is not only the orbital angular momentum or not only the spin angular momentum. The total angular momentum of an atom is the resultant of these two quanta. This is all about the spin, electron spin.